What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are in Kokomo, Indiana for the Zach Farms Nitro Micro Mini Pull. We're gonna go inside and check it out. Hang tight.
My name's Steve Ball. I'm from Wisconsin. Come down here. I've known these guys for quite a while. Come down here and pull tractors and have fun.
Awesome, awesome. What classes are you competing in today?
All of them.
All of them.
So I got two tractors in every class, and then my wife pulls two tractors in the both stock classes.
Oh, that's awesome. Can you show us a little something? I saw you had a twin engine guy back there.
Got the twin engine here. That one won today. We got tractors down there. We got a real nice paint job if you zoom in on this thing.
Oh yeah, look neat. At that. Now that was the class winner in session 1, right?
This one won, yep.
That's amazing.
I think I won everything but one class. I missed the 4-wheel drive.
Oh, there you go.
So.
Well, you traveled quite a way, so
yeah.
Congratulations on the win and good luck in session 2.
All right, thank you. Tried.
How much weight's on there for the mods?
How much is on?
Yeah.
500, give or take. 10 or 15 years ago, we were pulling this class. We had all the weight we had on the sled. Guy got a full pull. And his son, a kid about your size, crawled up on top of it and rode it, and he got another full pull.
It's got LRP .32s. It's cubic inch, .32 cubic inch. They got 4.4 horsepower apiece in them. Come back to a gearbox here. Got your bevel gears in here and converts it back into where we can run a chain drive back to the axle. And of course you got your big pulling tires on the back.
Yeah.
I just had them redone. Jay Lurb's in Minnesota. He fixed me all up here all last month. All new tires and got them all reworked.
The way she was a kicking and bucking, I knew that was going to happen eventually.
111.54. 111.5. All right, y'all. Well, that's going to be it for us from Kokomo, Indiana. And appreciate Brad, Zach, and his whole family for all the hospitality that they gave us while we were here. It's much appreciated. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one, y'all.